Now, if I try to modify this, so equal to loan type plus, I'm just appending a loan. It's just here we have written home, right? I'm just appending this. So it is not allowing. So what is the error? Compilation error you are getting. Remove final modifier. So that's why you cannot. What I'm doing, I'm trying to modify that. So it's not possible. Final variable, once you declare this value to other value, you cannot modify with a code. Manually, you can do here, remove this and put some other one. But by programmatically, you cannot do that. So that's why I'm commenting this. And return. So loan type. So you have see final class, final variable, final method. Okay. So now how can you prove that final class cannot be inherited, right? And a final method cannot be overridden. How can you prove that? So let's say extend this class to some other class. So I'll create a new class. See this, I'm going to extends loan type. See what is the error? It's throwing compile time error. Telling that.
Okay, I found this on the web for.
So it is not possible. The type cheap loan cannot subclass the final class loan type. So that's what you cannot inherit a final class. Normal classes you can inherit, but final class cannot be inherited. Next, I'll try to remove this final keyword here. Then see that error gone. Save it. See this error gone now. Final class only you cannot inherit. But normal classes you can inherit. So this is the one class and extends, this is the class. And next. Method, right? Final method. So return. See, it is what is the error? What is the error? Can you read?
Cannot override the final method from loan type.
So this is the final method, right? That's why you cannot override here. Final methods cannot be overridden. So final class cannot be extended. Final method cannot be overridden. Final variable value cannot be changed. These are the 3 points we should know about final keyword. So there is a this and super keyword. Any questions on this before going further? This and super key. So this is a reference variable. It refers to current class objects. This can be used to invoke current class method. This can be used to invoke current class constructor. So anything you want to access, delete related operations with this keyword. So what about super keyword? Super will be another reference variable. It refers to immediate parent class objects. Immediate parent class objects it will refer. So that is the this and super keywords advantages. And also super is used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. Super is used to invoke parent class constructor. So it is used to invoke parent class method. So both this and super keyword cannot be used inside the interface. And see that super dot parent class method. So constructor means super parenthesis. So these are the two things, and let me create a vehicle class. So here is the vehicle class. So vehicle class, take the main method. Main method not required. So I'll just copy this. Right, so let's call let's see what is coming here. Yeah, that's at one speed constructor or private constructor or public constructor. And this is the one. So vehicle default constructor. And write some more methods. So you need to write a vehicle has a start to stop. And you can do run method, one run method. So you can write lot of methods. Okay, so let me copy from here. Uh, I'll just show you that. Okay. So I created a one run method, and the speed value you can get it, and so this dot speed, so we can use only run method. Yeah, here is the change gear method. Change gear is there, and I'll write a engine start and stop method. Okay. So engine start. See what is the mistake we did. So this class I'll call vehicle class engine start. Okay. See one engine start and change gear. So these are the complete parent class. So what is that? One speed variable, vehicle, run, change gear, and engine start. Okay, so create a bike class. Create a bike class. Bike is a vehicle, so maintaining is a relationship. So you can apply extends vehicle. Let me take from here one of them. Vehicle class. Okay. So extends vehicle, why it is showing constructor. So so bike class, bike is a vehicle, right? Vehicle. So I can create a bike class. Let's create a bike class. Vehicle. So it's not showing why it is. Okay, so I have copied a wrong code. Let me take the bike class. Here Hmm. Okay, I don't know why. So this is not correct. Otherwise, we'll write why we need to depend on this. Okay. I will remove all these things. So what we declared a vehicle class as a speed variable. Maybe I'll give this maybe 150 kilometer per hour. Vehicle is a so default constructor. Speed you can give this dot speed equal to. I'll just give this dot speed equal to speed. Otherwise, you can assign the value. If you don't want to give this value, you can assign the value in the so vehicle is running. Speed. See now, this class instance variable I'm calling in the same class method. So you have to write this dot current class method or variable. So you don't need this. I'm just same steps. Change gear. You can change gear if you want to stop this. If so, maybe you can give gear int gear. So if gear is 1, you write the logic. So vehicle is running on slow motion. So gear equal to vehicle just picked up. So like this, you can write many, right? You can write many. So 2, 3, 4, else you can keep else. If all this is not true, it will come to else part. So if you want to know, vehicle just picked up, that's a second gear, vehicle is moving slowly. So vehicle is running very fast. Okay, so these are the methods of parent class. We developed one constructor. So this is the method. Another method we developed. Representing a different gear. Okay, so that's all about the parent class methods I developed. Play the button to switch off. Turn on the engine. Or just press the button, right? Press the button to start the engine. To start the engine. Now you can see engine, change gear, run method. Now already we used this keyword here. Vehicle is running with the speed, this one. So whatever you assign, it will come here. Now, so I need to create a bike class. So where it is created, which is our project. This is not our project. This is our project. Okay. Now, so I'll also declare here private int speed equal to 50 kilometer per hour, this giving, okay. Now let's override some of the methods. Okay, first extend, we already done. Override. So public, whatever these methods here, I'm going to override this run method. So bike class, run method. So bike is running smoothly. Same way you can override other methods also. So whichever method you override, you will get. Let me write one more for protected void. Show Show data, we can put show data. So I'll call now this instance variable and this instance variable. And you have a constructor also, you can create a constructor. Public. So bike. So this is the constructor. So by class constructor. Okay, so constructors. So now you see, I want to call one by one. I am calling. So observe carefully. So bike class speed variable. So how you need to call this dot speed. Call parent class. So parent class, vehicle class. So if you want to call parent class, you have to use super keyword. Super keyword is used to refer parent class. Instance variable you can refer in the child class. Parent class methods you can call in the child class. So that is the one, and I called here. Let me call this dot run. This dot run means this run method will execute. And then super dot run. Now this will call parent class, that is vehicle class object. Okay. Now I will call this. See now you are covering the instance variables, method calling. Both you are calling. So you have to create object for. So vehicle v equal to new bike. So v dot share data show. Okay. See automatically when you call this, you are calling the vehicle speed, bike speed. So parent class run method you are calling with the super dot run. Current class run method you are calling with this keyword. So this super, that's a reference. Okay, so let's call, and you can see the difference. See by class constructor. That means this is called default constructor. Yeah, this is a vehicle default constructor, that is fine. But why we are not getting? Oh, did we call this method? Under main method. Okay. We didn't call, right? V dot show. Okay, it's not coming. Why it's not coming? I'm using parent class reference variable. I'm calling with a bike object, child object. So here also you change it to bike. Now you see you can call v dot show data. So this is calling. So now all this instance variable, parent class instance variable, current class overridden method, parent class overridden method, parent class method basically, it's not overridden. parent class, and run it. See, now you got the data. 50, 150, that's the speed. Okay. So we have covered final keyword, this keyword, super keyword. And I want to cover one more, object class. So object is a class which is a super class for all the Java classes. So what are the, so this also, this is available in java.lang package. So the methods of object class. What are the methods are there in the, you can see that. Just put a v dot. Can you see this? Clone method, equals method, finalize method, get class method, hash code method, notify method, notify all, toString method, wait method. See, these are all the object class methods. So for us, so everything you should know, clone method. So what it will do, it will clone the exact copy of the object. So hash code method. So it will fetch the hash code value of the object. So equals method, object obj. Next, wait method, notify method, notify all method, finalize method, toString method. Basically, your object can be converted into string format using this one, toString method. Almost all the methods came, right? So yeah, for us important these two, toString, finalize method, very important. So understand any of these methods are not able to catch it. So that's all about polymorphism, and this is some of the keywords, final, this super keyword, and object class methods. Yeah, so that's it, and we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow what time we'll meet?